Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making gumbo, so please stay tuned. So first we're going to add 1 tablespoon of any oil followed by our meat. Tonight I'll be using the Jimmy Dean Country Mild, and you're going to put this on the sauteed setting until your meat is nice and brown. We're gonna add a half an onion, followed by 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, followed by some sausage. Tonight I'll be using the Hillshire Farms brand and just chopping that up and adding that to my meat. Once my sausage is cooked, I'll be adding 2 cans of diced tomatoes, followed by 1 cup of water, followed by the gumbo base seasoning. And you'll be able to find this link down below in the description. I'll also be adding some crab meat and my seasonings. So first I'm going to add onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, and 1 bullion cube. We're gonna add our lid and let that cook for 15 minutes. Once that is fully cooked, I'm going to be adding 1/3 teaspoons of obey, followed by some shrimp. And we're pretty much letting this cook for 5 minutes with the lid off. And there you guys go. It's time to plate. So I'll be adding rice at the bottom, followed by my gumbo. And guys, this turned out so good. This is perfect for the winter weather. I hope you enjoy. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Okay, bye.